Welcome to EMAS Health and Wellness Hub. Are you frustrated by the pain and stiffness of arthritis? Arthritis is a common problem as we age. It affects our joints, causing pain and stiffness. This can make everyday activities like walking, cooking, or even getting dressed difficult. But there's good news. You have the power to manage arthritis symptoms effectively through your dietary choices and lifestyle changes. Did you know that certain foods can actually help fight inflammation in the body? These foods are not just delicious but also powerful tools in managing arthritis symptoms. By incorporating them into your diet, you can take a proactive step toward reducing pain and improving joint health. Think of these foods as your allies in the battle against arthritis pain. They work behind the scenes to soothe inflammation and support your overall well-being. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint stiffness and swelling. If you're not a fan of fish oil supplements can be a great alternative. They provide the same benefits and are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Fruits and vegetables are another essential part of an anti-inflammatory diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your body from damage caused by inflammation. Berries in particular are a standout choice. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which are known to combat inflammation and promote joint health. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are also incredibly beneficial. They're loaded with nutrients like vitamin K, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and support bone health. Don't overlook the power of nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. They're a convenient and tasty way to boost your anti-inflammatory diet. Try sprinkling chia seeds on your yogurt, adding walnuts to your salad, or enjoying a handful of almonds as a snack. Small changes like these can make a big difference. And let's not forget about olive oil. This heart-healthy fat is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Drizzle it over your salads or use it as a cooking oil to reap its benefits. By making these simple dietary changes, you can take control of your arthritis symptoms and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, every bite counts. Just as some foods help, others can worsen arthritis symptoms. These foods tend to promote inflammation in the body. Sugar is a major culprit. Try to limit sugary drinks, desserts, and processed foods. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients that can contribute to inflammation. Red meat, while a good source of protein, should be consumed in moderation as it can also trigger inflammation. Alright, here's a sample meal plan to give you an idea of how to incorporate arthritis-friendly foods into your diet. These meals are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making thoughtful choices and enjoying the process. For breakfast, you can enjoy some oatmeal with berries and walnuts. Simple, nutritious, and a great way to start your day. Oats are rich in fiber, while berries are loaded with antioxidants, and walnuts provide healthy fats that are beneficial for your joints. For lunch, how about a salad with grilled chicken or fish, topped with a lovely olive oil dressing? Olive oil is a fantastic source of healthy fats, and pairing it with lean protein and fresh vegetables makes for a balanced and satisfying meal. Dinner could be baked salmon paired with roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Delicious, wholesome, and packed with nutrients. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help reduce inflammation, while the vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. And for snacks, you've got options like fruits, vegetables, nuts, or even yogurt. These are quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. Plus, they're packed with nutrients that support overall health. These are all great choices to support joint health and keep you feeling your best. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. So enjoy these meals, experiment with flavors, and take a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about healthy eating for joint health. Let's make cooking easy, shall we? Cooking doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you have simple, nutritious recipes at your fingertips. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a loved one, these meals are designed to be quick, easy, and delicious. Here are a couple of simple recipes you can try. These recipes are perfect for seniors who want to enjoy wholesome meals without spending hours in the kitchen. First, we have salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is not only flavorful but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that are great for your health. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This step ensures your meal cooks evenly and comes out perfectly roasted. Place salmon fillets and chopped vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and onions on a baking sheet. These vegetables not only add color to your plate but are also rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Drizzle everything with olive oil, season with a bit of salt and pepper, and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. The olive oil helps bring out the natural flavors, while the seasoning adds a touch of zest. It's that easy. In no time, you'll have a meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Next up, a berry smoothie. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrition into a single glass, and they're incredibly versatile. Just blend together your favorite berries, maybe strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, along with some spinach, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. The berries provide antioxidants, the spinach adds a boost of iron, and the yogurt gives you a dose of protein and probiotics. It's quick, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. Whether you enjoy it as a breakfast option or a midday snack, this smoothie is sure to keep you energized and satisfied. So, why not give these recipes a try and make cooking a delightful part of your day? Now let's talk about something important: personalized nutrition. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another. So, it's really important to pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. Keeping a food journal can be super helpful. Track what you eat and note any changes in your arthritis symptoms. This way, you can identify patterns and figure out what works best for you. Making dietary changes can really make a big difference when it comes to managing arthritis symptoms. By choosing anti-inflammatory foods and cutting back on those that trigger inflammation, you can experience relief from pain and stiffness. It's all about embracing a healthier lifestyle to enjoy a better quality of life. And of course, remember to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can help ensure that these dietary recommendations are appropriate for your individual needs. You've got this. Here's to living better with arthritis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others live better with arthritis too.